Hi, so I started this lesson out with the reading of Go Dog Go from P.D. Eastman, and we originally were going to do the sound isolation looking for the first sound in the words, but found that this was too advanced, so I backtracked to the Elkonin boxes. This is our third take. There was a lot of distractions and kids coming into the classroom, so it's kind of halfway through the lesson, but here we go.
Okay, let's try a few more words. Okay, how about the word stop?
Yes.
Uh, we can add more, huh? So there's one more sound. Try it again. Uh, That's right. So how many sounds did you hear?
One, two, three, four.
That's right. How many sounds did you hear from me?
Four.
Four. Very good. Okay. Okay, let's push the box back up. Okay. How about the word fast? So how many sounds did you hear?
One, two, three, four.
That's right.
One, two, three, four.
Very good. So, fast.
All right, that's it. Sydney and Chelsea are 4 years old in the preschool classroom. Thank you.